guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning August 29th to September 4th in my 2022 memory planner. I'm using this kit called Let's Party from CaressPress, and I paired it with some rose foil. I used a like a birthday party foil bundle from CaressPress, and I paired it with some SPC rose foil since they both, match. This was the week of my mother's birthday. I never get to do a kit for her birthday because I work in a school and we usually start this week, so I usually use a back to school kit, but since I was on maternity leave, I thought why not use a kit for her birthday. And it was kind of foolish vibes, so I think it, because of the colours, so I thought why not use it. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I also included some custom quote boxes from PlanWithAds in the sidebar, and I did the double box extender in the sidebar because there was two scenes. I don't know what else to say. This kit, of course, is nothing like what my mum's birthday would be like. It would be more like a birthday kit for me, but I had so many, I just had to get rid of it. But anyways, the day by day I started. So in the sidebar, I noted that Malik got his passport with his passport sticker from Paper K. I also used a custom Abdul Malik script from Naturallyads to note that he had a passport. And then I marked being 28 weeks, I keep thinking about pregnancy, it being the week 28 of my maternity leave with a belly plant and a sticker and a script from from PMD stickers. Oh my god, I just had a coughing fit and stopped recording, and now my mind is jumbled. My apologies. So on Monday, I marked that it was the summer bank holiday with an alarm clock icon from the foil bundle. I noted that my husband was out, probably to carnival, with this PMD sticker boy character. I noted making some breakfast with this icon from Cardi Plans, and then I noted getting some Starbucks, or my husband buying me some Starbucks with this like hot drink icon from the foil bundle and the Starbucks run script from SPC. Then noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the kit and a Plan With Me binge custom script from Plans. Then noted watching Sweet Magnolias with a TV icon from the foil bundle. Next I noted playtime with a baby girl sticker from the kit and a playtime script from Cardi Plans. And then I finally noted cuddles with my son with the sticker from Paper Shire and cuddle script from Plans, and with Malik script from I did up plans, and he is now awake, so this voiceover has to stop. Okay, so I'm back. I'm moving on to Tuesday. At the top of Tuesday, I used a sticker from the Honeybee shop to mark being tired. I noted making some breakfast with a breakfast sticker from Cardi Plans. I noted cuddling with Malik, again the same way, with a sticker from Paper Shire. This time the script is from Happy Sticker Designs. If I haven't already mentioned, I do PR for Happy Sticker Designs. Use my code ADIATU15 to get 15% off your order. Remember, with Malik is a script from PlanWithAds. I noted playtime with this sticker from Paper Shire. I noted that his passport arrived with this passport icon from Paper K. Then noted that he was sleeping on me with this sticker from Glam Planner, and the script is a custom script from Plans. I noted watching more Sweet Magnolias with a TV icon from SPC. And then I noted watching House of the Dragon with a script from Lena Designs and a GP Studio Gap. It's no longer open. Moving on to Wednesday, I noted being tired with a sleeping sticker from Sweet Ava's Paper, I believe. And then a tired as a mother script from the Honeybee shop. I noted breakfast again with another Cardi Plans icon. Noted that I threw up with a nauseous girl sticker from Whimsy. And then I noted a Plan With Me binge with a usual play button icon from SBC and a Plan With Me binge custom script from Plans. Next, I watched more Sweet Magnolias, so I used a TV icon from SBC. I noted cuddling Malik again the same way with a Paper Shire sticker and a script from from Happy Sticker Designs and a With Malik custom script from Randy.Plans. Then I used a TV sticker from Paper K to watching something with my husband, and I used a custom binge shows with a babe script from Plans. And then finally I noted that Malik stepped on me with another Glam Planner sleeping mummy and baby sticker and a sleep on mama script from Plans. Moving on to Thursday, I noted breakfast again with another Kylie Plans icon, and then I watched more Sweet Magnolias, so I used a TV icon from the kit. Here's another paper shower sticker and a cuddle script from Happy Sticker Designs, and with Malik script from Regular Plans. Then I noted that Malik was being super funny with this baby icon from Planner Hannah. I noted another Plan With Me binge with this planner sticker, which I do not remember the shop's name. And then a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. I noted some more playtime with a icon from SBC and a play script from the SBC Play Outside script. Then noted my husband gaming with a Make Plans duo of a boy gaming and a J gaming custom script. On to Friday, I used this pillow icon from the Crafty Planner Co and a sleeping script from SBC to Nook Sleeping In. I noted that Malik was with his dad, which is why I was sleeping in, with this paper shire sticker and with my Papa custom script from Tilly Journals. I noted another Plan With Me binge with his usual play button icon from SBC and a script from Make Plans. Then he had some playtime. We used another another paper shire sticker, and then I noted doing some cooking while still looking after Malik, which is what I put with Malik script with this Goldman and Cocoa Peyton Girl and a cook script from Sugar Box Stickers, and with Malik script from Randy Planned. And then noted having a hair appointment with this another Goldman and Cocoa sticker and an appointment script from SBC. Then I noted that he was really moody with his crying baby munchkin and a moody Malik custom script from Adorable Amy Designs. And finally, I noted being super tired with Yawning Girl from Paper K and a burnt out script from Happy Sticker Designs. On to Saturday. On Saturday, I marked my husband having driving lesson with a car icon from SBC. I noted breakfast again with the same sticker from Kylie Plans. I noted that Malik was with his dad with this sticker from Papershire and with Papa script from Tilly Journals. Then I noted having some family cuddles with this Teddy Plans Co custom family sticker and a family cuddle script from the Plan Pixie Co. Then noted doing my husband's hair with this icon from Harriet Rat Designs. And then I noted more playtime with another paper shire sticker. I used a lot of paper shire this week because her colour scheme is pink, so it worked. I then used a planner from CaressPress foil bundle and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans to note another Plan With Me binge, and then finally noted my husband gaming the same way I did on Thursday. On to Sunday, which seems to be the only day with the extender. So let's open it up. So in the extender, I noted having no sleep with this pajama sticker from Crafty Planner Co and a no sleep script from the Planner Pixie Co. And then noted breakfast again. Next I noted cuddling with Malik with the same paper shire sticker and cuddle script from Happy Sticker Designs and with Malik custom script from the Planner Pixie Co. I noted that with my mum's birthday with this Fox and Cactus Girl and a happy birthday script from SBC. I noted giving her gift with a present icon also from SBC. Then I noted getting our Tesco order with a grocery bag sticker from Planner Face and a grocery script from SBC. Malik had some more playtime, so I used another paper shire sticker, and then I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner from a shop I don't remember and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. Then I noted finishing Sweet Magnolias with another GP Studio Girl, and I noted being in a mood with this angry girl from Joy of Planning and a moody mama custom script from Planner Hannah. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of the spread. And yeah, I'll show you what was left of the kit and the wiggle, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.